In this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make Victorian door and window in the one wall. First of all, we have to make the line with using line tool. Click in from this position. Click to the upper position around 2.4 meter. And we can set the width of the door around 900 millimeter. Enter and move it to the down until this position. Okay, then we can select the three line. Select offset tool, offset it inside around 90 millimeter. Select the line, click from this position until this position and delete some unnecessary line in this position. Click the surface, select push tool, push it to the back side around 120 and triple click, right click and make group, and we can make the door lift with using a rectangle. Click from this position until this position and select push tool, select plane and select a push tool to the front around 40 millimeter. Then we can triple click, right click and make group, and also we can offset it inside by click this object, click this plane and offset it inside around 100 millimeter. Okay, then we can select this plane, select offset tool, offset it inside around 20 millimeter, and this is about the result. And now we can duplicate the line. We can select this line, select move, press Ctrl, move, press Ctrl and place to the another position. Then we can type 5/ enter. Okay, now we can push it back about the door, about this door panel. We can push it to this position, double click for every single panel on this door, okay, and now we can erase some unnecessary line. We can erase some unnecessary line over there. And we can push it to the back around 5 millimeter only. And now we can make the another vertical frame with using rectangle. Click from this position until this position. Then we can push it to the another side, triple click, right click and make group. We can select move, place to this position, and now we can select a rectangle, click from this position and click to this position and push it to the front around 10 millimeter. Okay, and make group. And now we can select the glass, select a glass in here. Okay, now we can select this plane and push it to the front around 20 millimeter, and we can also push it to the front for this vertical frame 20 millimeter. Okay, then we can just select this door and select move and duplicate. Oh no, we can right click and make component first, create and select move, duplicate and place to the another position. Okay, and now we can select mirror and click this green axis and we can draw the line and this position. We can select move, place to this position. Okay, and now we can click the glass vertical frame and this door, right click and make group. And now we can draw the another element. We can draw the door handle with using circle and push it to the front, triple click, right click and make group. We can make the door handle in here with using a cylinder, circle and rectangle, and you can adjust it by following my step in this part and on this progress we can make it group, and we can adjust for every single handle. Okay, then we can also click this circle, select move, press Ctrl, place to this position, and draw the lock case. And now we can assign with the material. We can assign with the material, with the proper material, as aesthetic as possible. And now we can select this door handle, right click, make group, and you can also make it component, create, select move, press Ctrl, place to this position, and then you can select the mirror, select this green axis again, and select the move, place to this another position first, and select this edge, and just place this edge to this face. Okay, so you can see about the result, and just make the three component to be one group: the first handle, the door, and the outside handle. Just make it to be one group by right click and make group. And don't forget to move the place of the door leaf properly in here. And now we can also make the window. We can using the line again, click from this any position. For example, you can click from this position, and you can drag to the another side around 1.2 meter, 1.2 meter with using line, and just move it down the direction around 1.8 and just move the another direction, and you can close this door window, and you can offset it inside around 60 millimeter, and just delete this surface, erase, and select this surface, push it to the back around 120 millimeter, double click, right click, and make group. Okay, then you can make the vertical frame again, and you can push it to the another side around 60 millimeter again, triple click, right click, and make group, and select move, and place to this position. Now you can make the rectangle, click from this position until the another position. But anyway, I will show you about the details, so I will suggest you to select all this frame for this window frame, and you can select outer cell, so it will be combined automatically. And then you can select this frame and offset it outside around 10 millimeter, and select the surface and push it to the back around 40 millimeter. Okay, and also this frame, select this outline and offset it outside around 10 millimeter, and select the plane and push it until this position. Okay, and you can get the detail about the window frame actually. Then you can also select the rectangle. You can click from this position and click to the another corner, and just select this plane, push it to the front until this position, and triple click, right click, and make group, and just offset it inside around 70 millimeter, and just push it to the back. Okay, or maybe you can offset it inside again. You can offset it inside around 20 millimeter, and you can click this line, and you can select a move, Okay, you can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this another position. You can make sure that the level of this line is same with the previous door. And okay, you can also move it again. You can also move it again to the another position, or you can move the side of the door window leaf to this position. And then for the frame is you have to adjust it again. Okay, so you can get this one and you can erase. Okay, and then we can move it to the back around 5 millimeter, and we can draw the rectangle. Click to this position and push it to the front, right click and make group, and we can select the glazing. And okay, we can make it group and move it to the another position. Okay, so you can make it the detail by yourself. And okay, then you can draw the wall from this position with rectangle. Okay, you can draw the line from this position to this position. You can delete some unnecessary line and just okay, you can make the another variation. You can make the another variation of the wall. Okay, you can make the variation of the right side or left side of the wall, and you can push it to the back side around 150 millimeter. Triple click, right click and make group, and just select the brick and place to this position. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will give the dimension. Okay, this is about the dimension of door and window with a Victorian concept. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.